Hello you, welcome to Charissa May's YouTube page. For today's video is all about ethic or empowerment technologies. For today's video, it's all about inserting and editing pictures. Okay, let's go. So first, let's create a new document or Control N for a new document. And then we have here a new blank document. So on the above tab, we have here between draw and home, click the insert. So before inserting pictures, let's have a quick review. So this is our table, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, chart. On our table, you can choose different table form, shapes. You can use different shapes to be used, like that. And then from our 3D models, you can insert smart art. We have some examples here, some list or process. And then, okay, let's proceed now to our pictures. So on our pictures, click that one, this device, and then click any picture. So we have here an example. So this is an example of my grade 11 TVL. So let's right click the picture, select the wrap text. Under that one, select through. So with through, you can definitely move through anything. I like this one. This is what I usually do. And then above, create some headings. So let's say grade 11. So let's highlight that one. Adjust the alignment into center. Adjustment, that one. And then click the size to enlarge it. Okay, let's say 72 or less. Whatever it is that you want. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. The next, right click the picture. So we have an option below, format picture. So let's click that one. Okay, so we have option at the right tab here. So let's just say let's change the glow. So click the picture. So how about color pink? Okay, I love that one. Or yeah, shadow. So let's have a shadow on the, let's say, below. Alright. And then the reflection, let's choose the middle last part. So there's a lot of options here that you want to try. Just do as you want to. Format your pictures until you're satisfied. So you can use some soft edges. You can use some color, temperatures, highlights, 3D formats, or whatsoever you want to. Then next, I'm going to crop the picture. Right click, about, there's a crop. Click that one and then adjust the size that you want for the picture. So there you go, my edited pictures. So below that one, you can now write something about the pictures. So add some text or something details regarding about the pictures. Okay, for some additional below the page, let's click the insert, click the table, and then let's put some table here. So at the table, you can write the label or the names like table 1, 2, and 3. The next, so let's put some text box. Click about the text box, and then you can choose any options for the design. So in here, you can write any message or whatsoever. Also, you can shape format. Above click, so we have shape fill, and then click any colors or shape outlines. And then we also have here some quick styles. The next, let's add some shapes. So let's see, how about diamond or whatever you want to. So let's realign that one, and of course edit to whatever you want to. Okay, next let's add the smart art. So we have here, let's click these alternating hexagons. Then let's finish it with some title or labels like inserting and editing pictures or whatsoever. And of course, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Charisma May, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you and God bless you all.